Good morning everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto and welcome to this new video and update on Dogecoin. Also welcome to the channel if you're new. We're going to do a full update on the situation for Dogecoin here, what to expect, especially also in light of the elections coming up. I think Dogecoin is one of the most interesting coins to keep an eye on, to monitor and to trade ahead of the elections, but possibly also after the elections. Depends a bit on the result of course, but still we can trade it both ways. Right, so shorting this at the moment, I'm not that much of a fan of that, but still it's a possibility in certain scenarios. And in general, I mean, if you take a look at the market, you can also see that volume has dropped down a bit. So volume right here, as you can see, is now still in the top 10. And if you look at the last 8 hours, it's still in the top 5. A little bit less, but that's also in line with what we're seeing from the technicals. So right after hitting that top right here at 18 cents, which by the way, if you watch my videos, you knew that this would be the top. We called the top right here the moment we got there. But strong resistance level in general, 17.5 cents. Big psychological resistance level. And since then, we've started a bit of a downtrend. Now, do I want to call this a downtrend? No, all right, because if you go to the 12-hour time frame, we are still very much in an uptrend. But this is just a pullback. For now, this is just a pullback, all right? It could turn into a downtrend, but that depends very much on the development right here. But what we can see right now, and this is also what we've been observing for the last couple of days, is that momentum has been dropping down. Volume, as we evidently just saw, has also been dropping down compared to other cryptos. And that's also in line with the fundamentals. As we rallied quite a bit ahead of the election, because of the election, of course, because of the whole tie of Elon Musk to Doge, to Donald Trump, etc. So then it's normal, and that's also personally what I did, because I took a trade on Dogecoin down here as well. It's normal that profits are taken, right? And that's also what you can see right here. This is just positions being closed that were opened before. Not all of them in profit, but all right. So now I think that will continue at least into the election or somewhat before that. And then I do think that Dogecoin is one of the coins that can gain the most if Trump wins. All right, so for me, and this is also what we talked about yesterday, the magic level is between 15 cents here and 14 cents. We have a ton of support right there. Short term, I don't see any reason why we would not drop down in there. So short term, what I expect to get back to the 4-hour time frame here is that we will drop down lower into this level right here between 15 and 14 cents. And that level is the first level where I will consider buying again. Now, ultimately, what I will wait for with Dogecoin, I think technically this is an amazing level, but I'm not going to blind buy Dogecoin. I'm not going to set any limit orders. What I will wait for, and that has worked the last 2 times, is for some fresh momentum to kick in. Right, so for example, here you can see the 27th of October, we actually gained some fresh open interest, most of it long positions, and then the price was at 14 cents. Subsequently, the price rallied up to 17.7 cents. So what I will wait for is I want to see some sort of confirmation of new orders being opened at a support level, and then I will buy. All right, because I'm not certain. I'm not certain if 15 cents is going to be the support or 13.5. Right, so I first want to see that reaction to the support, strong reaction to the support, and then I'll buy. And if we never get that reaction from one of these levels, I will simply not buy. All right, so that's my strategy for Dogecoin right now. Like I said, based on the technicals and what we're seeing right now in terms of developments, I would say it's most likely that we will drop down into that level. So that's my short-term expectation. But that's what you need to know for now. So I'll keep you updated on this. I will probably keep up the daily updates, but for now, thank you for watching. Try to enjoy your weekend and take care.